Math Gad.
Oh Math Gad guys, welcome to today's video in which we're going to be learning how to identify if a function comes from a set of points. So we're going to be given different sets of data or points, and we're going to identify if it's a relation or a function. So let's begin. Guys, the first problem we have here, we have a table with various data sets. So we have input and output values. The input values are going to be related to x, and the output values are going to be related to y. Now remember, in order to tell if a function is indeed a function, if a graph is indeed a function, we have to see if there is more than one value of y for a single value of x, right? So in this case, we have x comma y. So we're gonna see all the points that they give us with this table. So they give us point 1 comma 2, 2 comma 5, point 3 comma 4, point 4 comma 6, and point 5 comma 8. As you can see, there are no two values for the same value of x. We just have one value of x here, one of here, one here, one here, and one here. There is no repeating values of x. Because there is no repeating values of x, no repeated values for x, we can conclude that this is a function. Now, on the second problem that we have, we are going to see that they are going to give us the points directly. So they give us the points 416, 525, 3, 9, 636, 2, 4, and 1, 1. As you guys can see, there is no repeated values of x. So the values of x we have is 4, 5, 3, 6, 2, and 1. Again, no repeated values for x. So this is also a function. And that is pretty much it for today, guys. So as you guys can see, in both cases, we haven't been given repeated values of x. We haven't been given more than one value of y for a single value of x. And that is how we can tell if a dataset gives us a function or a relation. So I'll see you guys on the next one. Bye-bye.
Check out these other videos to improve your math skills, and make sure you click that subscribe button to make the community grow. Follow ohmathgad in its social media accounts, drop a like, a comment below, and see you on the next one. Bye!